welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to create a kind of a semi-traditional look which you can wear for any festival occasion, or else you can wear it when you are attending any wedding functions, or else as a guest makeup. So you can wear this look at any occasion. So before starting the makeup, I just want to prep my lips because mine is a kind of very dry and chapped lips. So I just want to hydrate it in the beforehand, so that when I'm applying the lipstick later, I won't feel that dryness anymore. So next I'm going to use this Nykaa Skin Potion Radiant Beauty Facial Oil Serum. I'm going to use this as a moisturizer and primer as well. I'm not going to use any primer separately. Suppose if you want to use any primer, once after applying this serum, you can use that to make your makeup to stay for so long time. But today I'm going to use only this serum as a base before applying the foundation. So I'm just going to take a couple of drops from the serum and I'm going to gently apply it all over my face. In my other videos, I have shown you this LA Girl orange corrector to color correct the under eyes and all the pigmented areas. But today I am going to use this Nykaa lipstick in the shade Bon Appetit Baby. It is a kind of red lipstick, but it has some orange tint in it. So I thought of using it as an orange corrector. So now I am going to use this lipstick on my affected areas using my finger. Make sure you are taking only the minimal product. Suppose if you want more, you can build it later. For foundation, I am taking this Maybelline Superstay 24 Hair Full Coverage Foundation, and my shade is 312 Golden. It is one of my favorite foundations. I have already shown this in many of my other videos too. And if you are someone who is looking for a full coverage foundation in an affordable range, then you can definitely go for it because it gives such a good coverage and also it lasts for so long time. It is a kind of matte based foundation, so it works well with all the skin types, and you never look back for any other product once after using this. Now I'm gonna use this on my face, and this is my damp beauty sponge. I have already squeezed out the water completely. I'm gonna use this to blend the product. Now I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Stick Concealer to conceal my under eyes, and also I'm gonna highlight the high points of my face. Now I'm gonna quickly set all the cream product that I have used on my face using this powder. Make sure you are setting the under eyes first, because as soon as you apply the concealer, it may start forming the crease lines. A couple of fine lines will start appearing under your eyes. So make sure you are setting it with powder as soon as you blended the concealer. For eyebrows, I am taking this Rimmel London pencil in the shade dark. So it has a spoolie on its top. So I'm just gonna use this to comb my eyebrow hair, and then I'm gonna use this pencil to fill in my eyebrows. Moving on to the eye makeup, as a first step, I'm gonna create the smudged kajal and eyeliner look using this Lakme Iconic Kajal. Using this pointed smudging brush, I'm going to blend the product so that we can create that smudged effect. Suppose if you don't have this smudging brush, then you can alter it with the earbuds. You can use it for smudging as well. And this is my Kryolan palette, eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna pick this golden eyeshadow to fill in the remaining part of my lids. For mascara, I'm gonna use this Bad Girl Bangi from Benefit Cosmetics. It is a bit expensive, but you can alter it with any affordable range products. And it doesn't mean that you have to purchase all the products that I'm showing in my videos. You just use the products that you have already. And now I'm going to apply this mascara on both of my lashes, and at the end I'm gonna add the pair of false lashes too. Next, I'm going to use this Morphe palette to apply some blush on both of my cheeks. So I'm using this big angular brush for applying the blush. And for lipstick, I'm going to use the same Nykaa lipstick. So this is the final look I created today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you like this video, then give thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you wish, you can subscribe my channel. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.